girl Amanda, and today I'm here with another guitar tutorial for you guys. So let's get to it. All right, everyone, so today what we're gonna actually use is a capo, which will be on the 2nd fret. Now you can always play this without a capo, or you can always get a pen or a pencil into rubber bands and make your own homemade guitar capo. I do highly recommend that if you do eventually want to play with capos, that you get a real capo. They're on eBay. They come in many shapes, sizes, colors, all depends on what you want. And these two look very similar, with slight changes, nothing major. As you can see, this one is more curved, this one is more straight. I prefer to play with this one, to be honest. But yeah, they're on eBay, Amazon, music stores, obviously. And they can range anywhere from $1 to $20, depending on the quality of your capo and location. I will put a link in the description box of some capos that you may or may not be interested in. You can check those out if you have an acoustic or any other guitar. You can also look at other capos for your guitar. But yeah, let's get into it. All right, so now that we have our capo on 2, we have a C, an F, an A minor, and a G. Once again, a C, an F, an A minor, and a G. So, starting with C, we're going to put our 3rd finger on the 2nd string on the 3rd fret, our 2nd finger on the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and our 1st finger on the 5th string on the 1st fret. Now, an F chord. An F chord is very similar, and it's actually just, you're going to take your 3rd finger and your 2nd finger and move it down 1 string. So now that we have our C, our F, and our A minor, now it's time to move along to our G. G's are fairly easy to play. It's comfortable, yet your hands are spread apart. And like I say, it's beginner friendly. So if you're learning how to do hand formations, this is a good way to kind of get in the mindset of playing certain chords where your fingers aren't all gapped together or in a comfortable position. So for a G, you're gonna have your 2nd finger on the 1st string on the 3rd fret. You're gonna have your 1st finger on the 2nd string on the 2nd fret, and you're gonna have your 3rd finger on the 6th string on the 3rd fret. So putting these chords together will sound something like this. So when it comes to the strumming formation, it is as follows. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So now that we have our chords, how to play our chord formations, and our strumming patterns, we can now put it together and jam out. So I hope you enjoyed the song. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any songs that you'd like for me to do a tutorial on, feel free to drop me a comment down below and I'll get back to you, or I'll post that video. And yeah, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.